Hey everyone, my name is Ravi Sharma, and for those who do not know me, I have cleared a lot of exams including IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk, LIC Assistant, SSC CHSL, SNAP, and also cleared recently CGL Pre. ये वीडियो bilingual होगा. This video will be in English and Hindi both, so both the viewers will be taken care of. And first of all, I want to congratulate you all that you have encountered a golden opportunity your way, as we all were so uncertain about the vacancies and the notification of these exams. But now, as a couple of days back, IBPS PO and clerk notification has already been released. अब आपके पास बहुत ही एक अच्छा मौका है कि आप अपनी राइट प्रेपरेशन पे फोकस कीजिए, सो दैट यू कैन ग्रैब द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी. So I am on the day when the IBPS PO notification was released, a lot of people have texted me to know about how to start our preparation from this point. यहाँ से हम अपनी preparation कैसे start करें, काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा. And also मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अब आपके पास टाइम है. You have the time, you have the opportunity, you have the resources, and plus you have me who will guide you to make you a successful person, or at least you will clear this exam for sure if you take my words. And also how you will go after this preparation, I'll talk about everything. But more than the preparation, it is the test of your mindset. So I'll try to bring videos on your mindset and how to not break your consistency. This is all we will talk about in this video series, and this is the first video of this video series. So we will talk about the basic overview of what this opportunity means to us, and how we have to convince our mind to not break our consistency till we clear this exam. तो जब तक हम अपना एग्ज़ाम नहीं क्लियर कर लेंगे, तब तक हमें अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे मेंटेन रखनी है. वी विल टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग, एंड ऑल्सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट मैटर, कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट में आपको क्या करना है और हाउ यू शुड गो आफ्टर योर प्रेपरेशन. You should have your own plan as well, but because trusting your own plan is very important. But if you find something useful, something of utility to you, you can adjust your plan by what I am saying, right? So in this video we will talk about what should your day looks like, and what should be the right mindset to not break your consistency, right? So first thing is that if you are a beginner, right, you have nothing to fear, right? You just have to play your best shot. You have nothing to fear. And if you are someone who is cleared with his basics, right? If you have cleared with your basics, you need to just brush up those basics and focus more on getting like more marks in prelims. And also you have to keep intact with the general awareness and the daily things, right? So before I start, I would say that please bring a notebook and a pen, so that you can note down what I am saying to you, and implement that, right? तो आपको एक कॉपी और पेन के साथ बैठना है, ताकि आप नोट कर सकें चीज़ों को और आप उन चीज़ों से हेल्प ले सकें, राइट? सो पहली चीज़ है कि आपको वो वीडियो देखनी है जो कि मैंने अभी थोड़े दिन पहले बनाई थी. अराउंड 10 to 15 days back I have made a video. You have to watch that. In that video I have told the daily things you have to do, and make sure that you are starting your day early, so that you can finish those tasks by 12 or 1 in the afternoon, right? So 12 और 1 बजे तक आप जो डेली थिंग्स है वो कवर कर लें. इसके लिए आपको अपना दिन जल्दी स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली आई एम स्वेटिंग, आई जस्ट केम आफ्टर अ जॉग. तो आपको वो चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपकी प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करने के लिए. आई हैव मेड अ वीडियो एंड मे बी सेकेंड और थर्ड वीडियो फ्रॉम द टॉप. You should watch that just after finishing this video, and you have to note down those things so that you can track yourself, right? So those daily things are very very important. If you are doing those things, then you need not to worry about prelims. You will clear prelims for sure. That is not a rocket science. आप prelims आराम से clear करेंगे अगर आप वो daily things कर रहे हैं. और वो daily things को आपको मतलब you have to touch everything every day, right? It is not like that I know simplification so I won't do that. No, it is not like that. You have to do a simplification, approximation, and everything that is written over there. So that, why we are doing this? Because by repetition everything is improved, everything can be improved, right? Even when we drive a motorcycle or a bike, we know, we can feel that after driving it for a month or so, we can actually feel that we are more comfortable on it, right? So everything you have to make it strong by repetition process. Repetition process से आप उसको स्पीड भी बढ़ेगी और आपकी एक्यूरेसी भी और आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी भी और आपका डर भी खत्म होगा. You will be fearful if you are doing you will be fearless if you are doing all these things every day, right? So it is very important for you all to watch that video and note down the things in a notebook and track yourself. Tick mark the things you have done so that you can feel some sense of accomplishment that you actually are putting some efforts in the preparation. So first thing is this: the daily things is a must. Why I'm saying it so many times? Because I want you to realize the importance of it. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वो चीज़ें, ठीक है? तो वो चीज़ें आपको करनी है डेली वाली. फर्स्ट थिंग वो होगी wake up and do these things, right? One more thing I want to add in this is that start with the subject you feel discomfort with. Start with the subject in which you are not feeling comfortable, so that the toughest part can be covered right at the start. Because at the start we all are energetic, we are full of enthusiasm, so it is very important to start the day with the toughest task, right? So I used to start with English newspaper because it was a very tough task for me, but now I can feel that those hours of reading newspaper have actually paid me off. As you can see that I'm talking to you all so comfortably, and that too in good English, right? So English or anything, you can improve it if you believe that you can improve it. So believing is first and action is second. You have to take these two things simultaneously. Just by belief it would not happen, just by actions it would not happen, because your mind is not convinced to take you to the desired results, right? So first thing is daily things. Second is that you have to keep intact with general awareness, right? You have to watch a video source every day, you have to make notes, you have to revise that. A detailed strategy for general awareness will be made very very soon. So in this series we will talk a lot. And second thing is general awareness. Third thing is that it is very important that you give at least half an hour for to what you love, to what your interest is, right? So do something productive. You do not have to go and scroll social media in the break you have taken. It is not the resting time, it is the wasting time, right? So you need to understand the difference between the resting time and the wasting time. So if you are relaxing, even if you are like closing your eyes and lying on a bed, it is resting, it is relaxing your mind. But if you are studying for like 3-4 hours continuously, and then you came and scrolled WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram for like 1 hour, then this 1 hour is not worth it, right? You have to know the value of every single minute. you got this break to recharge your mind, not to waste time, and it eventually affect your the later half of your day. So it is very important to keep away from the distraction, to keep an eye on your thoughts. और इसके अलावा मैं सेकंड चीज़ ये होगी जनरल अवेयरनेस, थर्ड चीज़ होगी कि आपको थोड़ा रिलैक्स करना है किसी भी चीज़ के साथ. आई यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट और हॉकी फॉर लाइक 2 hours एवरी डे, no matter how big an exam was. I used to play. I used to go and play because without playing my day is always incomplete, right? So ये तीन चीज़ें बता दी. I have talked about these three things. After this, fourth thing is that you have to give some time to mains. आपको मेंस को भी थोड़ा टाइम देना है. मेंस को आप टाइम कैसे दे सकते हैं? मेंस में आपको ज़्यादा यू डू नॉट हैव टू कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स मच इन मेंस. मेंस में आपको सिर्फ ये करना है कि कोई भी प्रीवियस ईयर कर सकते हैं, या फिर इफ़ यू हैव ओल्ड मॉक्स, राइट, यू कैन से you can do just a few higher level questions. You have to spend time with higher level questions. The idea is this, right? You have to spend some time with the high level questions so that you can actually start feeling comfortable with those higher level questions, because mains is just about mindset, right? Mindset, general awareness, English, that's it. Maths and reasoning are just to score some good marks, and you'll score decent marks in quant and reasoning if you are doing 1 2 hours of higher level questions every day. So it is very important for us to get intact with these mains level questions, right? And that's it. Apart from this, I would say that if you have time, please do give mocks frequently now, at least 3 mocks a week of prelims. You do not have to jump on mains mocks right now. I will tell you through video or through audio or through text. I would tell you when you have to start mains mock. So right now it is very important to generate speed, and for generating speed, I would say that you should watch the video. I would say that that is one of my best videos, or even if I have to select one video, I would tell you to watch that speed वाली video. तो वो speed वाली video आप देखिए and try to implement the practical ways I have discussed in that video. And what else? Do analyze the mock you are giving. And in this video, I have no resources like laptop or anything, so I'm just recording this video. So I want you to note down everything that I have told you here in this video. And what else? The last thing I want to tell you is that be grateful for the vacancies that you have got. Do not crib that we got less vacancies or anything, because negativity won't help you in any way. You have to be positive, you have to be fearless, you have to be laser sharp focused, right? Only then you will achieve your goal. All you need is just consistent 6 months or even less in this case, right? So it is important for you all to not fear from anything, because a lot of opportunities are coming your way, and if you prepare for them honestly and with consistency and in the right direction, you will surely get your success. And I will record the next video very very soon. And before going, I want you to post your doubts in the comment section, and I will take a few doubts in the next video, and by this way we will cover all your doubts, and so that you can give yourself best chance of clearing this exam, right? So बहुत ज़्यादा important है कि आप अपने सारे doubts मुझे बताएं comment section में, and you can also text me on Instagram, and I will take your doubts in the next video for sure. And that's it. If you like the content, Do like or dislike anything you want, and if you want to subscribe, if you want to stay connected, do subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's it. I do not know more, but yes, have a great day.